all, who will be my Valentine? Since it's Valentine, everybody knows yesterday was Valentine's Day, but it's okay. There's no real single day for love. Love is when you acknowledge it, love is when you want to express it, and love is all year round. But there's one day which brings it into focus, and that is Valentine's Day. And on this occasion, we are going to listen to the story, Who Will Be My Valentine? Okay. All of us may have asked ourselves this question at times: who is the person who loves me? Who is the person who I love? Why is it so important? Okay, so let's come back to our story. Who will be my Valentine? So, this is the story of Motu. Okay, Motu was the fat boy in the class. He sat in the corner of the class. Nobody talked to Motu. Nobody knew his real name. He sat in the corner, he kept quiet, and nobody really knew who he was, what he liked, what he didn't like, where he lived. किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पता था मोटू कौन था। तो एक बच्चा था जो थोड़ा सा मोटू था और सब उसको मोटू ही बुलाते थे, पर उसका असली नाम था महेश्वर प्रताप सिंह। ये किसी को भी नहीं पता था। ओके, हिज नेम वाज महेश्वर प्रताप सिंह, एंड हर कोई उसको मोटू ही बुलाता था। किसी को पता नहीं था कि ये कौन है, इसका नाम क्या है। और हर कोई उसको बोलता था, ओए मोटू। तो ये हाँ भी बोलता था, बिकॉज उसको खुद लगता था कि मैं कितना मोटा हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता। और वो ऐसे चुपचाप ही उदास बैठा रहता था, किसी से बात नहीं करता था। सब मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं करके चुप सा रहता था। ही टू सिट इन द कॉर्नर क्वाइटली, नॉट टॉकिंग टू एनीबडी, फीलिंग रियली बैड। नोबडी लाइक्स टू बी कॉल्ड मोटू ना, एंड ही डिडंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड्स। तो ही वॉज नॉट श्योर कि क्यों नहीं मेरे फ्रेंड्स है। क्या मैं मोटा हूँ इसलिए मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, या मेरे चेहरे पे दाग है, आई हैव सम सो मेनी स्पॉट्स ऑन माय फेस। ओके, सो hi Snehalata, we are doing the story of who will be my Valentine. So once upon a time, there was a boy called Motu. His real name was not Motu, but everybody called him Motu, and he was really sad about it. And he was very quiet. He kept very quiet. He kept to himself. He had no friends, and he didn't know how to make friends. उसको लगता था पता नहीं क्यों लोग मुझे ज्यादा प्यार नहीं करते, मेरे चेहरे पे दाग है, या there's a car who comes to pick me up, सब समझते मैं बहुत अमीर हूँ, घमंडी हूँ, इसीलिए मुझसे बात नहीं करते। And he never knew how to change this. He felt very sad and very lonely. Okay, so he used to be very quiet in school. Every day Motu would go to school and he would do his work. He was very good at his work. तो टीचर भी उसे परेशान नहीं करते थे कि क्यों नहीं किया, बताओ आंसर क्या है वगैरह। They thought कि हाँ मोटू तो सब कुछ समझता है, he's smart, he knows everything. Teachers also would not talk to him too much because they were okay. He's not too smart and he's not too stupid also. He'll manage. So nobody gave him too much attention. Every day Motu went to school. There he would do his work. He would eat his tiffin alone. And then when the bell rang, he would pick up his bag and he would come home. He would not say bye to anybody. He would not say hi to anybody. That was his life. But Motu was not happy. He also felt that I wish I had some friends, not many, one or two friends. When there is a class project, they'd say, oh, come and be my partner. When there is something nice different to share, they would call him to join, and they would tell him silly jokes and they would laugh together. So Motu also wanted all that, but it was not happening. He didn't have any friends. So Motu felt that he was smaller and smaller and smaller, and he felt that he was almost disappearing in the class. And that made him feel very sad. And the sadder he felt, the more moodier he got. And he got more irritable. उसको गुस्सा भी आता था। किसी ने पूछा मोटू इरेजर है क्या? नहीं। मोटू बाहर आना चाहते हो? ना। He also didn't bother too much. He was very sad. He was very irritable. If somebody smiled, he turned away. He never really knew how to be a friend, how to try to make friends. So वो खुद भी बहुत अपने आप को छोटा फील करता था, और he didn't really know how to go about being friends. When Valentine's Day came, the school was a buzz. Everybody was so excited. Somebody is going to give me a card. Somebody will tell me, you are my Valentine, or you want to tell somebody. You are the best person in my life. I always think of you. You're always helping me. I'm so grateful for you. I always pray for you. I thank God for you. So everybody wants to hear these nice things. You are so pretty. You are so kind. You are so loving. Everybody wants to hear those things from somebody. And you're my sweetheart. So we want to do these things. We want somebody to say these lovely things to us. And Motu also wanted, but who will be my Valentine? मोटू को लगा बिकॉज कोई उससे दोस्ती ही नहीं करता था, तो वैलेंटाइन डे तो मनाना तो दूर की बात है. मन ही मन में सोचता रहा, मेरा कौन वैलेंटाइन बनेगा, और वो उदास होता गया. हु विल बी माई वैलेंटाइन, ऐसे छोटी सी आवाज उसके दिल के अंदर पूछती रहती थी, है क्या कोई जो मुझसे प्यार करता है. तो जब 14 फरवरी आया तो बाप रे, मोटू को तो जैसे लगता था कि आई विश आई डिसअपियर, कि मैं गायब हो जाऊं, कोई मुझे देखे ही ना, कोई कोई देख ही नहीं पाए कि मेरा तो कोई वैलेंटाइन है नहीं. किसी ने मेरे को ना फ्लावर दिया ना बलून दिया. हर जगह पे बलून्स ही बलून्स, हार्ट्स और पता नहीं क्या क्या. बट मोटू के लिए तो कुछ नहीं. तो मोटू ने क्या किया, मोटू ने अपना सिर डेस्क के ऊपर डाल दिया. पुट हिज हेड ऑन हिज डेस्क एंड ही प्रिटेंडेड दैट ही हैड अ हेडेक. उसको लगा कि शायद किसी को परवाह भी नहीं है कि मुझे हेडेक है या क्या है, बट फिर भी उसने ऐसे कर दिया. पर जैसे उसने अपना सिर अपने डेस्क के ऊपर डाला, एक बहुत ही अच्छी खुशबू उसके नाक में आ गई. अरे वाह, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल स्मेल, स्वीट स्मेल ऑफ चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज. वाओ. सो व्हेनेवर यू स्मेल चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज, व्हाट्स योर इमीडिएट रिएक्शन? कहाँ से आ रहा है ये स्मेल? तो मोटू भी उठा देखने के लिए कि कहाँ से आ रहा है. Which lucky person got chocolate brownies for Valentine? उसे भी curiosity हुई. He wanted to know who is this lucky person who got chocolate brownies for Valentine's. And he raised his head and he realized कि वो chocolate brownies तो उसके खुद के desk से आ रही थी smell. And इतना बड़ा बॉक्स और उसमें 4 यम्मी डिलिशियस gooey chocolate brownies. वाओ. और उसमें एक नोट भी था जिसमें लिखा था, from your Valentine. There was a tiny note tucked in that box of chocolate brownies which said, this is from your Valentine. Oh, 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 oh my God. मोटू कितना खुश हो गया. This was totally unexpected. A big smile came on Motu's face, okay? And he felt so happy कि अपने आप ही खिलखिलाता हुआ पूरे इस क्लासरूम में उसकी हंसी गूंजने लगी. His laughter spread through the entire classroom because he was so happy. And everyone turned to see, अरे मोटू को क्या हुआ? This boy who never even smiled, now he's laughing and laughing. And everybody came to see what happened to मोटू. उन्होंने देखा मोटू को चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज मिले वैलेंटाइंस के लिए. So they said, oh wow, Motu, lucky person. ये तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ मोटू, you're somebody special Valentine. Very good, Motu. And then everybody started saying Happy Valentine's Day, Motu. Suddenly they realized that there was this boy in class whom they hadn't wished. And Motu was so happy, so happy. He said, आओ आओ तुम भी आओ, बहुत सारे brownies है, सब मिलके खाते हैं. And Motu shared his brownies with everybody, and everybody came to his desk and they gave him little Valentine Day notes which they made hurriedly. They gave him thank you cards. Then they also brought out their own dabbas. किसी ने पराठा लाया था, किसी ने इडली, किसी ने वड़ा. सब में बहुत सारी शेयरिंग हो गई. सब अपनी अपनी कहानियां सुनाने लगे कि हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे बोलने वाला मुकुल भी आया था. एंड तब पता चला कि वो तो मैथ्स में सबसे जीनियस था. और जो बहुत ही ऊंची आवाज में बोलती थी वो वाली लड़की, वो तो इतने अच्छे अच्छे पोएम्स लिखती थी. एंड द बॉय हु वाज एवरीबॉडीज फेवरेट, जो used to make Motu feel very jealous कि ये तो सबका फ्रेंड है. अरे वो कितनी अच्छी जोक सुनाता था और सबको इंक्लूड करता था और सबको हंसाता था. मोटू रियली रियली लाइक्ड हिम. तो सब सब उसके साथ बातें करने लगे और शेयर करने लगे. और मोटू बहुत 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 ज्यादा खुश था उस दिन. जब वक्त आया घर लौटने का, तो मोटू वापस से लंबी सांस लेने लगा, लेकिन इस बार वो बड़ा खुश था. He took a happy sigh. This was the best day of his life. इतने सारे friends और इतना सारा प्यार मोटू को मिला, तो he was very 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 happy. Okay, but he still didn't know who was his Valentine. Abdullah, will you please? Yeah. So, are you trying to read along? Yeah. So he didn't know. He still didn't know who was his Valentine. Motu didn't know who was his Valentine. Okay, Aisha? Then in the corner of the class, he saw this quiet little girl. Okay, and this little girl had a learning difficulty, or probably she couldn't really talk too much, or she couldn't look at people when they were talking. And the teacher had told the class that this girl is a special girl and she needs your special loving care. But Motu, for so long, had not bothered. He had never tried to talk to Lata and find out what is this girl thinking, or what would she like, or should I help her? Does she need my help? उसने कभी कोशिश ही नहीं की. But यहाँ अकेली लता बैठी थी और सब चले गए थे. तो मोटू went up to लता, हिम्मत की उसने, जबकि उसको ठीक से आता नहीं था कि कैसे फ्रेंड्स बनाए, कैसे किसी के साथ बात करे. बट फिर भी आज तो वो खुश था ना, तो उसने हिम्मत की. He went up to Lata and he said, Lata, should I walk you to the gate? Shall we walk together? तो लता ने भी चुपचाप अपना सिर हिला कि हाँ ठीक है. ज्यादा बातें नहीं की उसने. चुपचाप दोनों स्टेयरकेस से उतरने लगे. तो मोटू को लगा शायद ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं था किसी की मदद करना. ज्यादा बातें करना भी जरूरी नहीं है. हेल्प कर सकते हो जब भी, you know, just to make somebody feel not alone. If you find somebody who's being very lonely, very quiet, you can always approach them. You don't have to talk too much. You don't have to do too many things. Just be there for them. So Motu took Lata and he went down the stairs. And Lata's brother was waiting for her. तो अभी मोटू को लगा कि अभी भैया लता को लेके जाएंगे. तो फटाक से उसने बोल दिया, हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे लता, जोर से, खुशी खुशी से. एंड लता भी मुस्कुराई. शी फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी कि मोटू ने उसको विश किया. और तभी झटक से उसने भी पूछा मोटू से, तुमको क्या वो चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज अच्छे लगे? मुझे लगा कि तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. सो एक्चुअली लता ने देखा था कि मोटू बहुत चुप था, उदास था, और वही उसी ने वो चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज मोटू के लिए लेके आई थी. वही मोटू के लिए वो चॉकलेट ब्राउनीज लेके आई थी, मोटू को खुश करने के लिए. व्हाट अ स्वीट थॉट. तो उस दिन मोटू नहीं, महेश्वर प्रताप सिंह बहुत बहुत खुश होके अपने घर गया. Yes, my friends, Maheshwar Pratap Singh felt complete, he felt happy, he felt loved. And that is the story about Valentine's Day, to make somebody else feel special, to let somebody else know that you know them, you see them as a wonderful person. And I hope you too will spread this message of love. You don't have to look for people who are very much like you. It's okay. You have black eyes, somebody has brown eyes, somebody is very thin, somebody is fat. That's okay. There are different birds in God's kingdom and they all sing a beautiful tune. It doesn't matter your religion, it doesn't matter which language you speak. I may speak good English, मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी, या मराठी तो मुझे बिल्कुल ही नहीं आती होगी. But you may be good at Marathi and you may be good at Gujarati and you may be good at many things which I'm not good at. But that doesn't mean we cannot be friends. We can be friends and we can all make this world a much better, lovable place for everyone. Thank you. I hope you like this story. Did you like the story? Can I get a thumbs up?